IoT expansion, connecting everything everywhere. The Internet of Things IoT refers to a rapidly growing network of physical devices connected to the Internet, allowing them to collect, share, and act on data. From smart homes and wearable technology to industrial automation and smart cities, IoT has become one of the most transformative forces in the modern digital landscape. As IoT expands, it's revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. What is driving IoT expansion? Several key factors are fueling the global expansion of IoT. Falling costs of sensors and hardware. Affordable sensors, chips, and connectivity modules make it easier to embed smart technology into everyday objects. Improved connectivity. The rise of 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and low-power wide-area networks, WANs, allows more devices to connect with higher speed and lower latency. Cloud computing and edge computing. These technologies enable real-time data processing, making IoT devices more intelligent and responsive. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI enhances the ability of IoT systems to make smart decisions, detect patterns, and automate processes. Applications of IoT expansion. As IoT expands, it is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. Smart homes. Devices like smart thermostats, lighting systems, and voice assistants, e.g. Alexa, Google Home, offer convenience, energy savings, and enhanced security. Healthcare. Wearables and remote monitoring tools help track patient vitals, manage chronic diseases, and improve care delivery. Agriculture. Smart sensors monitor soil moisture, crop health, and weather conditions, enabling precision farming and better yields. Manufacturing. IoT, the Industrial Internet of Things, IoT, uses sensors and automation to optimize production, reduce downtime, and ensure worker safety. Smart cities. IoT enables better traffic control, waste management, energy distribution, and public safety through real-time data insights. Benefits of IoT expansion. Efficiency and automation. Devices can operate autonomously, reducing the need for manual intervention. Data-driven insights. Continuous data collection leads to smarter decision-making. Cost savings. Predictive maintenance and resource optimization reduce operational costs. Enhance user experience. Customization and automation improve convenience and satisfaction. Challenges of IoT expansion. Despite its potential, IoT expansion also presents challenges. Security and privacy risks. As more devices connect to the Internet, vulnerabilities increase. Strong cybersecurity measures are essential. Data management. Massive amounts of data require efficient storage, analysis, and governance. Interoperability. Ensuring different devices and platforms can work together is critical for scalability. The future of IoT. The expansion of IoT is expected to continue at a rapid pace, with billions more devices coming online in the next few years. As technologies mature and standards evolve, IoT will become even more embedded in everyday life and industry. From autonomous vehicles to smart grids and intelligent buildings, the connected world of IoT is just beginning to reshape our future.